You are welcome to today's video, and I'm glad to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. And today we want to look at the difference between financial intelligence and financial ignorance. We want to see why some people are financially intelligent, and you can see in their decisions, in what they do, in their with their finances. It is why some people are completely ignorant when it comes to finances. They believe that they have been taught a little in school, and the truth of the matter is financial intelligence is rarely taught in school. It's seldom, almost never taught in school, and that's why we need to seek financial intelligence out of school. And it is important that we know that financial intelligence, when we are financially intelligent, it drives our financial decisions. And some of the reasons why some people struggle financially is because they are financially ignorant. So we want to look at it so that we will know the category that we belong to. And okay, if I belong to this category, maybe you are financially ignorant, how can I transit to being financially intelligent so that it can begin to show forth in my financial decisions. And just like I need to say this, that many people work for money, but they don't know how money works. They don't even bother. Some people wake up as early as possible, go to work, but when you talk about financial intelligence, they don't even want to know. And so quickly, let's dive into it. So we are going to mention five difference between those who are financially intelligent and those who are financially ignorant. Number one is those who are financially intelligent are deliberate about creating wealth. They are deliberate about creating wealth. So the question is, are you deliberate about creating wealth? So if you are deliberate about creating wealth, it shows that you are financially intelligent. So it is important that you know that you are intentional. You are not just believing in chance, because creating wealth will not happen by chance, except maybe you want to be a gambler. And the question is, how many people become wealthy through gambling? Even statistics has it that in less than 2 years, 80% would have squandered the money, would have sploughed the money through financial recklessness, just because they stumbled into wealth. It was not something that they were deliberate about. So those who are financially ignorant, they believe that they hope to be wealthy. The truth of the matter is, hope is not a strategy. Hope is not a strategy. You need to plan. You need to strategize. How do I intend to get to the wealthy place? How do I intend to earn passive income, not just rely on active income, but also to begin to earn active passive income? How do I grow my net worth? How do I grow my investments? How do I improve my business so that I can have more revenue, I can have more cash flow? So it is important. So that's the number one difference. Financially intelligent, they are deliberate about creating wealth, while financial ignorant people, they hope to be wealthy. What is number two? Number two is financially intelligent people learn before they make mistake. They learn before they make mistake. The reason why you are here watching this video is because you want to learn. You want to learn. You are interested in learning before you make a mistake. Why those who are financially ignorant, they make money mistakes without learning. They have made mistakes severally, yet they never thought about it, about, okay, let me even learn before I make the next mistake. It is important that we learn, especially in the 21st century. There's a need for us to learn, unlearn, and relearn, because things are changing rapidly. There are many investment vehicles that one can actually learn. One can actually learn so that one can create wealth for him or herself. So what is number three? Number three is financially intelligent people, they are committed to being financially free. Are you committed to being financially free? It's a question you should ask that, okay, do I intend to work to the end of my life? If you don't intend to work to the end of your life, it means at a point in time you must retire, and which means you must work on how to begin to create passive income, passive returns. It is very important. While those who are financially ignorant, they want to be rich by good luck. They hope to be lucky. They hope, they hope in mother nature that one day things will be better. Meanwhile, you need a form of commitment. You need to be committed to it. It is not just about being intentional, but are you committed to the things that will actually make you to be financially free? When you hear about investment seminar, that okay, this is how to create legitimate wealth. We are not talking about, we have different types of wealth, but we are talking about getting wealth in a legitimate means. So are you committed? Whatever the price that you need to pay, the price of instant of delayed gratification, the price of frugality, for instance, are you committed to all these concepts so that you can be financially free? So don't be why financial ignorance, they want to be rich by good luck, want to be rich by chance, and things don't happen by chance. Life is governed by cause and effect. So what is number four? Financial intelligent people associate with people who have growth mindset. They associate with people who have a growth mindset. So the question is, who are in your association? Who are those that you have in your clique, in your circle? Are they people with a growth mindset, or are they people with a fixed mindset? If there are people with a fixed mindset, if you associate with people who have a fixed mindset, it shows that you are not ready to improve your finance. It shows you are not ready to improve your financial situation. So please watch your association. It is very, very key to you having a better financial life. And what is the last point? What is the last difference between those who are financially intelligent and those who are financially ignorant? Number five is they are those who are financially intelligent, they are always seeking financial information. The reason why you are watching this and you have decided to watch to the end is because you are seeking financial information. You want to know more. You want to be financially literate. You want to be financially intelligent. And it is important that you are always seeking, not just one time information, but always constantly seeking information. It is more or less like you know that you can always get better. Why those who are financially ignorant, they think they know. They think they know. That is their challenge. Instead of them learning, one thing they believe that I know already. What do you want to talk about? What do you even want to say? So those are the five differences between those who are financially intelligent and those who are financially ignorant. If you know any, please you can drop in the comment section below. And if you know that this video is going to help anyone, kindly share it with them, as it will also help them to know that okay, this is where I belong, and they may want to join this channel. So if you are interested in finance, in making your business better, in personal development, and also in investment, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever we drop a new video. Till we meet in our next video, stay blessed.